Hello, welcome to TVCMALL channel. Today we continue our factory tour. We are now in the factory of Bluetooth keyboard cases. I want to show you the production process. Let's dive in. So we begin with material cutting with this machine. Next, we attach a keyboard surface material using a heat press for seamless bond. In this step, hardware axles and magnets are carefully installed. These components are crucial for the case's stability and magnetic closure functionalities. The semi-finished panel undergo heat pressing using a cutting machine. The surface material is then attached, ensuring a flawless and durable finish. After heat pressing, the panels are left to cool. Once cooled, they are meticulously trimmed to achieve the perfect shape and size. Each case undergoes rigorous functional testing to ensure it meets our high standards. After functional testing, the cases are visually inspected. Every detail, from stitching to surface finish, is examined to ensure perfection. Finally, the cases are carefully packaged and sealed, ready to be delivered to our customers. In the warehouse, we have prepared a lot of stock for hot selling models in the market to ensure a faster delivery time. Okay, that is the journey of how we make Bluetooth keyboard cases. From selection of material to final package, every step is crafted with precision and care. I hope you enjoy using our products as much as we enjoy creating them. Let's keep in touch. See you next time.